Hello, my name is John Simpson. I work for PFG Australia, which is the distributors for Great Plains here in Australia. What we've got here is a 4-row Great Plains Yield Pro planter.
So this machine, John, it sows single seeds, a range of plant spacing.
Correct. So the way that the metering system works is that it's a pressure system. So what we have here, this is the inside of the metering system. Air pressure comes through this hose and the seed sits in a little reservoir down here. What happens is, as the air comes into the metering system, the metering disc picks up one seed and it rotates slightly. And then once the disc and the seed continue all the way around the metering system and get to this series of brushes, the only thing that is holding the seed against the disc are the brushes. So we get the effect of what they call a dead drop into the
seed tube. Let's have a look at that on the other side where you've got some barley seed in there.
Yes.
So yeah, now that's pretty stark example. You can see the individual seeds in each of the things. Obviously you've got no air pressure there now, so you know it's going to be dropping out a bit.
So the real fit for a planter as opposed to a standard air seeder is when we're talking about use of really expensive seed, call it hybrid canola, beans, chickpeas, that style of thing, where what we want to use is the lowest level of input and get the best yield at the end.
Any data to support like the increase in yield with just enough seeds for ideal plant numbers?
Yeah, there's been a lot of work done with planters and precision seeding of canola.
Row cleaners on the front, I noticed.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Look, what sort of job are they doing?
Yeah. So what we're trying to achieve here with the row cleaner is simply the job of almost like a hay rake. We're just trying to push the trash, which might be there on an inter-row sowing job, just to the side, so that we eliminate hairpinning. This has been coupled up with what we call a turbo coulter on the front, or a fluted coulter on the front. It's all optional. We've just tried to put all the accessories that we can on the machine and use them when and where we need them.
Now, rocks. A lot of rocks in the Western Districts. How do you think it'll handle rocks?
Correct. Best used around rocks, to be honest.
Yeah.
But each one of these row units is on a parallelogram system, so there is a certain amount of give there, but like all machines, it's going to prefer not to be going over rocks. No, trash handling ability is really good. The main feature, or the main reason for that, is from these row cleaners. So if you've got 15-inch row spacing, for instance, and you're going for, you may have 2 or 3 years worth of stubble there and it's fallen over, the beauty of these row cleaners is it just moves that trash to the side, so you've got a nice clear path. Yep. And then obviously that coulter at the front, whether you need it or not.